Free your mind to live the life you dream of. Close your eyes and think about your dream life. What do you see? Maybe a big house, a new car, or an exotic vacation? How does it feel when you come back to the present? Not good, right? That dream life can feel unattainable. What if you decided to take control of your life and your dreams and get off the hamster wheel of striving and just getting by? Here are 4 steps you can take right now to start living your dream. 1. Scope your dreams. Take a moment to sit down and work out what you really want, but not the usual recipe for success. Go beyond the high-flying job, big house, and so on. What do you truly want in your real life with your own desires, your talents, and your dreams? Do you want to be a best-selling author, a travel writer, a philanthropist, a gourmet chef, an explorer, a world-class athlete? No matter how crazy or out there it sounds, push down that who me voice and say what you want out loud. 2. Make a plan. Once you're clear on what your heart truly desires, you can make a plan of action steps to get you there. You can project manage yourself into whatever you want to be. In fact, you can take the emotion and the fear out of your big goal by treating it as a work project. Do your research, work out projected costs, save for courses or skills building you might need. Set some intermediate and short-term goals so you can build a path to your big goal. 3. Build a negative-free zone. Guaranteed, once you start on the path to your dream life, all sorts of negative Nancys will pop up saying you can't do it. Take no notice. You have the skills and the passion for getting what you want. Imagine you're in the center of a can-do sphere. No negative thoughts or messages allowed. Stay positive and keep your energy high. Reset your expectations so you can feel confident about reaching your goal. Focus on reaching short-term goals that'll be the stepping stones to the life of your dreams. 4. Choose to stay in the present. A sure way of going off course is to brood over past failures or worry about the future. Keep your focus on the present and what you're going to do today to get yourself closer to that dream life. Make the decision every day to keep walking towards your goal, and before you know it, you'll be there.